Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Nothing Gear 1 with your MacBook. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to charge them. Right here we can find input for the cable, and next you have to open the case. Click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking. So let's make it right now. Okay, right now release the button when the indicator is like that. Put it close to your MacBook and do not close this charging case. Next you have to go for the system preferences on your MacBook. Right now you have to simply go for the Bluetooth and turn on Bluetooth right here. Next, take a look on available devices list, select Nothing Gear 1, and right now we are connected. Next, I can recommend you to open the sound settings. Check output and the input device and be sure that you are switched to the Nothing Gear 1 for the microphone and speaker. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.